मुझे उससे बताना चाहिए था। I should have told him. I should have told him. तुम्हें कड़ी मेहनत करनी चाहिए थी। You should have worked harder. You should have worked harder. हमें वहां समय पर पहुंचना चाहिए था। We should have reached there on time. We should have reached there on time. उसे मुझसे पूछना चाहिए था। He should have asked me. He should have asked me. तुम्हें अपनी दवा लेनी चाहिए थी। You should have taken your medicine. You should have taken your medicine. मुझे वहां नहीं जाना चाहिए था। I shouldn't have gone there. I shouldn't have gone there. उसे झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए था। He shouldn't have lied. He shouldn't have lied. आपको हेलमेट पहनना चाहिए था। You should have worn a helmet. You should have worn a helmet. राहुल को प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए थी। राहुल should have practiced. राहुल should have practiced. तुम्हें मेरा इंतजार करना चाहिए था। You should have waited for me. You should have waited for me. मुझे नया फोन नहीं खरीदना चाहिए था। I shouldn't have bought a new phone. I shouldn't have bought a new phone. उन्हें हमें पहले सूचित करना चाहिए था। They should have informed us earlier. They should have informed us earlier. तुम्हें उससे ऐसे बात नहीं करनी चाहिए थी। You shouldn't have talked to him like that. You shouldn't have talked to him like that. मुझे और पानी पीना चाहिए था। I should have drunk more water. I should have drunk more water. उसे सावधानी से गाड़ी चलानी चाहिए थी। She should have driven carefully. She should have driven carefully. तुम्हें कल आना चाहिए था। You should have come yesterday. You should have come yesterday. मुझे अपनी नौकरी नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए थी। I shouldn't have quit my job. I shouldn't have quit my job. हमें उसे पार्टी में बुलाना चाहिए था। We should have invited him to the party. We should have invited him to the party. तुम्हें शांत रहना चाहिए था। You should have stayed calm. You should have stayed calm. मुझे अपनी माँ की बात माननी चाहिए थी। I should have listened to my mother. I should have listened to my mother. उसे सच बोलना चाहिए था। He should have told the truth. He should have told the truth. आपको दोबारा चेक करना चाहिए था। You should have checked again. You should have checked again. मुझे इतनी देर तक नहीं जागना चाहिए था। I shouldn't have stayed up so late. I shouldn't have stayed up so late. मैं उसे हरा सकता था। I could have defeated him. I could have defeated him. वह जीत सकती थी। She could have won. She could have won. हम मैच जीत सकते थे। We could have won the match. We could have won the match. तुम मुझे फोन कर सकते थे। You could have called me. You could have called me. एक्सीडेंट हो सकता था। An accident could have happened. An accident could have happened. वह यहाँ हो सकता था। He could have been here. He could have been here. मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकता था। I could have helped you. I could have helped you. तुम और बेहतर कर सकते थे। You could have done better. You could have done better. बारिश हो सकती थी। It could have rained. It could have rained. हम रास्ता भटक सकते थे। We could have lost our way. We could have lost our way. वह गिर सकता था। He could have fallen. He could have fallen. तुम उसे सच बता सकते थे। You could have told him the truth. You could have told him the truth. मैं पुलिस को बुला सकता था। I could have called the police. I could have called the police. वह डॉक्टर बन सकता था। He could have become a doctor. He could have become a doctor. हम फिल्म देखने जा सकते थे। We could have gone to see a movie. We could have gone to see a movie. वह पैसे बचा सकता था। He could have saved money. He could have saved money. तुम मेरा लैपटॉप इस्तेमाल कर सकते थे। You could have used my laptop. You could have used my laptop. मैं वहाँ अकेला जा सकता था। I could have gone there alone. I could have gone there alone. ये और भी बुरा हो सकता था। It could have been worse. It could have been worse. तुम उससे पूछ सकते थे। You could have asked her. You could have asked her. वे हमें देख सकते थे। They could have seen us. They could have seen us. वह भाग सकता था। He could have run away. He could have run away. मैं स्टेशन तक पैदल जा सकता था। I could have walked to the station. I could have walked to the station. मैं वहाँ गया होता। I would have gone there. I would have gone there. उसने तुम्हें फोन किया होता। He would have called you. He would have called you. हम मैच जीत गए होते। We would have won the match. We would have won the match. वह मर चुका होता। He would have died. He would have died. मैंने उसे माफ कर दिया होता। I would have forgiven him. I would have forgiven him. तुमने बहुत एंजॉय किया होता। You would have enjoyed a lot. You would have enjoyed a lot. वह तुमसे मिलने आया होता। He would have come to meet you. He would have come to meet you. मैंने खाना खा लिया होता। I would have eaten food. I would have eaten food. उसने नया घर खरीद लिया होता। He would have bought a new house. He would have bought a new house. अगर मुझे पता होता तो मैं तुम्हें बता देता। If I had known, I would have told you. If I had known, I would have told you. वे स्टेशन पहुंच चुके होते। They would have reached the station. They would have reached the station. वह पार्टी में आई होती। She would have come to the party. She would have come to the party. मैंने उसे पैसे दे दिए होते। I would have given him the money. I would have given him the money. उसने तुम्हारी मदद की होती। He would have helped you. He would have helped you. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा होता। I would have felt very bad. I would have felt very bad. वे हार गए होते। They would have lost. They would have lost. अगर गाड़ी होती तो हम चले गए होते। If we had a car, we would have left. If we had a car, we would have left. वह खुश हुई होती। She would have been happy. She would have been happy. मैंने ये पहले ही कर दिया होता। I would have done this already. I would have done this already. तुम फंस गए होते। You would have been stuck. You would have been stuck.